Hello, I am Thomas Ramsden, sound engineer on the next film of Louis Vio called Puzzle Video. So yeah, we tried to put some soft lighting on the forehead. So we tried to put some soft lighting on. So for this shot, I chose the FX6 with Nisi Athena. Yeah, so we tried to do like a soft lighting to give a little bit of more Amadeus look. So yeah, the director Louis Vio really liked that kind of cinematography. So yeah, and like I'm a filmmaker, I really wanted to do it like that. Yeah. Yeah, we this is a review about like how to light FX6 Nisi Athena like a filmmaker. So yeah, just need one light, soft, and a little bit of FX lighting, make it seem like sound. It has to be precise like sound. Okay, so let's go to the next shot. Nisi Athena. So the next shot, we chose a 35 millimeter.
Hello, I'm Louis Vio, the DP of these shots. For we use the FX6 to shot this shots, especially the 35 millimeters for these shots. Combined with the FX6 is the great combo that I like to use as a cinematographer DP. The price are this is the best value lens set for me and my director Thomas Ramsden. That's why we use this for these shots. For this one, we use the 85 millimeters. Sorry. In this scene, Thomas tried to on these shots, Thomas tried to escape from the enemies. So we used to use the 5, and we diffuse the soft light with the bounce in the faces of the actors and the 35 millimeters. With this traveling, we try to show that the characters try to escape from the from the destiny of himself with the 85 millimeters of Nisi Athena. And here we can see the money bank from his pockets. Sorry. Sorry. We try to see the money bank from his pockets with the 45 80 millimeters from Nisi Athena. And this is the very best value lens set for me as a cinematographer, with the FX6 camera from Sony. And for the last shot, I used the bounce for the lighting directly in the faces from behind the characters to hide the pain of the money bank value with the FX6. For me, the best camera for 2024, and Nisi Athena's from Nisi's. That's very nice lenses for me at all. And that's why you should buy it instead of buy something else, for example, for me. For for these shots as well. I was completely drunk. But for me, this is cinemas with the Nisi Athenas from Nisi's and FX6 from Sony.